Welcome to the last episode of What's in Your Cupboard. Thank you guys so much for watching. However, dried and canned foods will never run out because they're so handy for cooking quick and easy meals. I'm Ellen and I've seen your comments and pictures of what's in your cupboard, so I'm here to show you 3 amazing dishes that you can cook at home for the day. And the last ingredient of this series is canned mushrooms. Canned mushroom is one of the most versatile ingredients that you can add to any dish. I love to put them to fried rice, spaghetti, or porridge. They just go with everything and anything. So, I'm really excited to show you the recipes that we have for you today. Let's begin with the first dish. What better way is there to start your day than with an omelette fully loaded with ingredients? This reminds me of the omelettes that you can get made for you at the hotel breakfast buffets. I can't wait to begin, so let's start with the first step. Add your oil to the pan. Then add your bell pepper, tomatoes, canned mushrooms, salt, and pepper. Stir fry for 2 minutes. Then remove from the pan and set aside. Then beat the eggs and spread them out on the pan. When the eggs are half cooked, place the cooked ingredients on one half of the egg and fold. This omelette reminds me of all of the luxurious hotel breakfasts I had before. It smells so good, so I'm gonna take a bite. It's so good! The eggs are soft and the mushrooms and the veggie gives it a nice bite and flavour. I love how healthy and easy this is to make. Only 10 minutes! I will totally make this mushroom omelette for breakfast again. Next up, lunch. I am always in favour of a one-pan dish filled with meat and veggies. So today, I've chosen to cook a classic Chinese stew that you can cook anytime. Let's begin with the first step, that's to marinate the chicken. Add the chicken thighs, salt, and pepper. My chicken is done. I'm going to put it in the fridge to marinate for half an hour and then we can move on to the next step. Add the cooking oil. Add the chicken and cook until it's brown. Cooking the chicken first helps to release its flavour better. Add your garlic and ginger. Cook until fragrant. Add your mushrooms and carrots. Cook for a few minutes. Add the light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, huadiaojiu, and water. Bring to a boil and simmer for 15 minutes. This smells so fragrant, I am literally drooling right now. I can't stop myself, so I'm gonna take a taste. The chicken is so tender and the mushrooms are very juicy. They've absorbed the sauce, which is so delicious I could drink a bowl full of it. Just pair it with a bowl of rice and your lunch is done. Next up, dinner. Mapo tofu is one of my favourite Chinese dishes. Yes, even though it is spicy. But it's so comforting, delicious and savoury, and the mushrooms taste amazing in it. Let's begin with the first step. Heat the cooking oil. Add the garlic and ginger. And stir fry. Add the minced pork and stir fry. Add 豆瓣酱. Add the mushrooms and chicken broth. Stir them well. Bring the sauce to a boil. Add in the cornstarch water. Stir until it has thickened. Add the tofu. Stir them well. Add the sugar and sesame oil. Stir them well. Simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. This looks so appetizing and authentic. It's really making me hungry, so I'm gonna try it now. I love how comforting this dish is. It's hearty with double portions of protein, but the mushrooms help to balance that out. And don't get me started on the sauce. It's a little spicy, but so savory, and I really just want a bowl of rice to finish this with. So these are our 3 dishes that we have for canned mushrooms. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, like the video, and leave a comment down below which was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe to Share Food Singapore and click that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time we have a new video. Until then, keep indoors, keep cooking, and keep safe. See you guys next time. Bye bye.